So the question is, what features are coming up next for Discourse? Well, we have actually a roadmap. We try to use Discourse to build Discourse. So if you go to Discourse, meta.discourse.org, and then look in the releases category /C/releases, you'll see actually our complete roadmap. Now, I don't like to roadmap too far ahead. We have sort of a holding area for features that we're thinking about, and then the current version, and then the next version. So that's as far as I like to really think ahead, because I have trouble keeping more stuff than that in my brain at any given time. One thing I am excited about that we're going to get to, I don't think in this, we're on 1.9 now. I think it'll be in 2.0. Much more flexible user muting. One thing I've come to appreciate the value of is people who want to take a break from another person. Like, one thing that bugs me on Twitter is that there's no sort of take a break from this person button. There's destroy this person from my world, remove them. This person has ceased to exist in all versions of my universe. And then that's it. Those are your options when dealing with people. And you can mute conversations now on Twitter, kind of. But I wanted a more fine-grained tool where it said, look, somebody is tweeting about, a sports game I don't care about, or some ranty thing that I don't care about. It doesn't mean that I don't like that person. It doesn't mean that I don't want to see what they have to say. It's just I need to take a break from that person. And that's very analogous to what people do in real relationships. It's like, it's not that I don't love you. It's that I need a break from you. Like, you don't stop loving your kids, but it's like if you're around your kids 24/7, it's like, wow, that's a lot of kids, right? So everybody needs these little breaks, and I want that feature to exist. And I became very sympathetic to the people who are calling for it. It's like, well, this person really pushes my buttons. They're not really doing anything wrong by the rules, right? Or maybe they are. Maybe they should be referred to the moderators. But I just want a way to control my experience with this other person. Because historically, my answer would be, if you can't get along with person X, that person X needs to go to a different discourse. They need to move to a different house down the street from yours. But I've come to appreciate, like, sometimes you have to live in the same house for a variety of reasons, and you just need ways to kind of segregate your experience from these other people that, are more nuanced than what we currently offer in Discourse. There is a mute feature, but it only mutes notifications from the user. So we're going to be instituting like time-based mutes, category-based mutes, like this person is crazy on the subject of politics, but otherwise a completely reasonable person, because I do think you compartmentalize that in real life. Like, there's a lot of people where on topic X, I love this person. On topic Y, this person, I don't want to hear anything they have to say about topic Y ever. And I think that's okay. That's natural. That's normal. And we need software that accommodates that and lets you, behave like you would in some ways in the real world with real people. So thanks for that question. I think this will be my next one will be my last one.